Hi, this is Khushi Mukherjee and you're watching me on Filmy Mantra. अगर सबको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है तो मुझे क्यों नहीं? And that is the reason why I feel कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ भी शायद यही हुआ होगा. Like if you see Salman Khan was projected in such a way by PRs or by his image. सालों लग गए वो image को clean करने में या ठीक करने में.
Okay.
Sexy is not the right word for me. Yes, my brain is quite sexy and I have a sexy body. That's true. The bold projects I only did for money.
And then that also brought you a lot of trolls and then...
Yes, it did, but it did bring me money too. Look at Alia Bhatt's video. It's not AI generated, of course, but if you see her fingers move sometimes, and that is also, I think, some sort of ADHD. अगर सनी लियोनी को प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं या फेलिसिटेट कर सकते हैं तो खुशी मुखर्जी को क्यों नहीं? राजश्री प्रोडक्शन में मैंने 2013 में ऑडिशन दिया था, जिसका मूवी शायद तमन्ना भाटिया ने भी किया. नोरा फतेही डिड बिग बॉस एंड बिग बॉस के बाद उसे इतना म्यूजिक वीडियोस इतने सारे मिल रहे हैं. सो अगर आज आप टाइगर श्रॉफ का वीडियो देखें फ्लॉन्टिंग हिज एब्स गोइंग टू अ टेम्पल, यही अगर एक लड़की या ये अगर खुशी मुखर्जी करती तो क्या ये खुशी मुखर्जी को टारगेट नहीं किया जाता? VPN लगा के शूट हो रहा है एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे टैग कर दिया जा रहा है, ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? माई टैलेंट इज कंसिडर्ड, पीपल ओनली जज मी बाय द क्लोथ्स आई वेयर. मुझे सिर्फ मेरे कपड़ों से ही क्यों जज किया जाता है?
Hi, this is Mohit Rana and you're watching yet another episode of the FM show on Filmy Mantra, a show where we celebrate stories, have fun and bring you the entertainment you deserve. आज मेरे साथ एक ऐसी शख्सियत है जिनकी फोटोज, वीडियोस या कंट्रोवर्सी सोशल मीडिया पे ऐसे वायरल होती है जैसे जंगल में आग. Please welcome खुशी मुखर्जी. Hi Khushi, how are you doing?
Well, good. How are you?
Good. खुशी, आपके बारे में अब दुनिया जानती है, but I'd like to know कि बचपन में आप कैसे थे? What were you like when you were a child?
See, you always be the same. Nothing changes you, but yes, circumstances and situations do. So I've always been shy and quite introvert, but I think my thoughts were always suppressed, and because of suppression, you do turn out to be a rebel, and that's what happened with me too. I wanted to be an actress, and my clothing styles were always inspired by Barbie dolls. I always kept saying that I am influenced by Paris Hilton style because the dresses she wears is all pink and colorful, and I love colorful dresses as it uplifts your mood too. So I wanted to be an actress since childhood and I never gave it a second thought. मैंने कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि acting के अलावा मैं कुछ और कर सकती हूँ. I have learned various forms of dance styles, dance forms, भरतनाट्यम से लेके हर तरीके का dance form मैंने सीखा है. And when I now look up to actresses who had started career with me, I started my career into movies from 2013. So Rakul Preet Singh started from the same year, I feel. Yeah, though she's quite elder to me, but Rakul Preet Singh, Tamanna Bhatia and everyone, they're doing quite well in the industry. And Ada Sharma was also one of the actresses in the movie I did. So as far as I think my talent is considered, people only judge me by the clothes I wear. मुझे सिर्फ मेरे कपड़ों से ही क्यों जज किया जाता है? जब मैंने इन सारे एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ काम किया है, राजश्री प्रोडक्शन में मैंने 2013 में ऑडिशन दिया था, जिसका मूवी शायद तमन्ना भाटिया ने भी किया था, and the movie did not do well, and that was the time when she moved down to South. Yes, I did not have a proper planning. मेरी proper planning नहीं थी करियर में, और शायद अगर आप इस फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड से नहीं होते हो, एक प्रॉपर टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी नहीं होता है या कोई आपको गाइड करने वाला नहीं होता है, सो इट्स मोर लाइक द F&O स्टॉक मार्केट, यू नो, फ्यूचर्स एंड ऑप्शंस की तरह वो ऊपर नीचे होते रहता है. So it happened with me too. मेरा ग्राफ मुझे समझ में नहीं आया क्या हुआ, and then obviously you live on survival mode too. तो आपको survive करने के लिए शायद projects भी कभी-कभी it's like beggars are not choosers. Maybe I'm not using the right term, but I was not fortunate enough that time to choose the right project for myself. But when I got this opportunity for the show, The Society, which I did for Hotstar, my dreams and ambitions which I saw in my childhood did come true. मैंने जो बचपन में जो सपना देखा था वो मुझे लग रहा है कि अब क्यों नहीं पूरा हो सकता. नोरा फतेही डिड बिग बॉस, एंड बिग बॉस के बाद उसे इतना म्यूजिक वीडियोस इतने सारे मिल रहे हैं, मे बी बिकॉज whatever reasons. See, I don't, being a woman, I should not target anyone, and a strong woman always lifts another woman up. But before fixing somebody else's crown, I would just like to question, why not me?
Yeah.
And अगर सबको ये opportunity मिलता है तो मुझे क्यों नहीं? And that is the reason why I feel कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ भी शायद यही हुआ होगा. And हुआ होगा, we've all been in the same circle, so of course we know what the truth is.
Now when you mentioned सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, आपने 2 दिन पहले भी एक रील डाली थी और उस रील में काफी इमोशनल दिख रहे थे आप. बट मैंने फिर बाद में देखा आपने वो रील हटा दी. Was it a pressure?
मैंने आर्काइव कर दिया.
Was it a pressure?
Pressure, see, you can't say pressure directly, but yes, थोड़ा बहुत mental pressure आपके ऊपर होता है, because I don't come from a political background. Yes, I do. My mama in Calcutta was once upon a time into politics, so I do know how it works, and I am, like I always keep saying, I'm not a good politician, so I should not go in the wrong path. But I would definitely like to say that I'm an actress, and if other actresses like Alia Bhatt or Malaika Arora Khan or Nora Fatehi, all of them can get proper opportunity, why can't Khushi Mukherjee get? Is it just because of the dress which I wore long back? And since how long are people going to remember that? As far as I know, that people have a very short-lived memory, isn't it? But continuously trolling someone for the same reason over and over again, it does affect your mental health. And you do have a habit of scrolling your phone before you go off to sleep or after you wake up. So that also leads to ADHD or anxiety issues. And I think everyone, all of us, we do suffer from that. I wouldn't call it exactly what ADHD is, but if you look at Alia Bhatt's video, it's not AI generated, of course, but if you see her fingers move sometimes, and that is also, I think, some sort of ADHD.
Now you mentioned कि बहुत सारी celebrities हैं जिन्होंने अपना करियर आपके साथ स्टार्ट किया और उनको opportunities आपसे ज़्यादा मिली.
मुझसे ज़्यादा मिली, शायद उनके करियर चॉइसेस मुझसे बेटर रहे हैं. मुझे गाइड करने वाला कोई नहीं था, लेकिन अब जब मैं एक सही ट्रैक पे चल रही हूँ तो अभी भी क्यों लोग मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. टॉकिंग अबाउट फेमिनिज्म, पीपल से दैट आई प्ले विक्टिम कार्ड और फेमिनिस्ट कार्ड. अभी ड्रेस कोड है टेम्पल्स में जाने के लिए. सो अगर आज आप टाइगर श्रॉफ का वीडियो देखें, फ्लॉन्टिंग हिज एब्स गोइंग टू अ टेम्पल, यही अगर एक लड़की करती है, ये अगर खुशी मुखर्जी करती, तो क्या ये खुशी मुखर्जी को टारगेट नहीं किया जाता? तो इसमें लड़का और लड़की को टारगेट किया जाएगा या सिर्फ खुशी मुखर्जी को टारगेट किया जाएगा? और सिर्फ मुझे ही क्यों? Why me? People might say that I am toxic, or I'm talking about others to gain some quick attention. But no, it's not that. It pinches you. Sometimes you do keep quiet because you want to be in the good books of everyone. I am not here to be in the good books of everyone. I am here to speak my heart out.
But I'll ask 2 questions simultaneously. One, replacement की जो बात हमारी इंडस्ट्री में काफी रहते हैं कि रिप्लेस कर दिया जाता है ऑन द स्पॉट. दूसरा, कॉम्प्रोमाइज की बात बहुत ज्यादा होती है कि कॉम्प्रोमाइज अब ये बहुत ज्यादा, अभी आई हैव नो क्लू कि आपके करियर में कभी ऐसे स्टेज आई है व्हेन समबडी हैज आस्क्ड फॉर योर फेवर, और किस तरह का फेवर, बट हैज इट एवर हैपेंड कि किसी ने बोला हो कि मुझे इस तरह का फेवर चाहिए एंड यू हैव डिनाइड, एंड देन कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है व्हेन यू डिनाई समवन एंड उनकी ईगो हर्ट हो जाए तो देन दे विल टेल अदर पीपल आल्सो डोंट कास्ट दिस.
राइट दैट इज हैपेंड. या दैट इज हैपेंड. ऑफ कोर्स इंडस्ट्री में काफी ज्यादा पॉलिटिक्स होता है, एंड आई थिंक पॉलिटिक्स तो घर पे ही शुरू हो जाता है सबसे पहले, लाइक महाभारत यू कैन से. बट yes, it did happen. काफी बार see, I have a very blunt attitude. जो मुझे नहीं पसंद है मैं डायरेक्टली मना कर देती हूँ और मैं कुछ भी ऐसे मुंह पे बोल देती हूँ. So it has affected me in my career too. But as of now, I think girls these days in the industry has become very easy and openly available. So सब फ्रेंडशिप के आड़ में ही सब हो जाता है. एंड टैलेंट से ज्यादा आई थिंक फेक बॉडी, फेक लिप्स एंड डिजाइनर्स हु ओपनली कॉपी अदर्स डिजाइन्स, ये सारी चीजें ज्यादा मैटर करती है. A fake lifestyle matters more in the industry than searching for real talent. That's all I can say.
But do you feel like fake PR जो है वो भी काफी major part play करता है, क्योंकि comment seeding होती है, उस चीज को बहुत ज्यादा boost करना होता है. It takes a lot of money and power. Do you think that also plays a major role? If you have money, if you have certain kind of power, आपका talent नहीं चल पाएगा.
Of course. See, peers are not God, of course, but it's always about projection. Like if you see Salman Khan was projected in such a way by PRs or by his image. सालों लग गए वो image को clean करने में या ठीक करने में. एक चीज खराब होने में ज्यादा देर नहीं लगती, but उसको ठीक करने में सालों लग जाते हैं. So stitch in time saves 9. That's all I can say. And yes, I don't regret wearing something like that. It was my choice to wear. But I feel कि लाइफ में आपको जब बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज दिखती है, जैसे मैंने स्प्लिट्सविला में सनी लियोनी के साथ काम किया था एंड उसमें I voted out myself in first episode itself. But people now even compare me to Sunny Leone and I feel it's a compliment. ठीक है. And अगर सनी लियोनी को प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं या फेलिसिटेट कर सकते हैं तो खुशी मुखर्जी को क्यों नहीं.
बट आपको कभी ऐसा लगा कि देखो there was two perspective, one being blunt and other being polite and say no to something. Do you think somewhere nature भी play करता है? Do you feel कभी कभी आपको ऐसा लगता है कि I wish I was a little more polite to somebody, या फिर कभी अगर कोई आपको कहता है as a friend या कभी कोई फैमिली से आपको कहता है कि खुशी maybe this is not something we should do, maybe try a different perspective. आपने कभी ट्राई किया कि मैं एक दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से सोचूं कि शायद मैं मान जाऊं थोड़ी बार?
Of course, बिल्कुल.
But did it help?
See, बचपन में अगर बच्चों को ज्यादा नहीं दबाया जाए और उन्हें वो करने दिया जाए जो वो करना चाहते हैं तो शायद वो बात मान लेंगे. लेकिन हमारे इंडियन फैमिलीज में इतना ज्यादा अपने ओपिनियंस बच्चों पे थोपा जाता है कि वो उसका उल्टा करने लग जाते हैं. And this is what I have done. But since now that I live alone and मुझे अब पता चल रहा है कि yes, how the world is and how change is the only constant. So of course I would like to shape my career or mold my career the way I wanted it to be. If you see Priyanka Chopra was also typecasted. She had done n number of movies which did not work well in the industry and she did Aitraz for which she was even targeted by the actors' wives or for the bold role which she did. But then she was strong. She's a strong woman that she did not give up and she molded her career in such a way that people even consider her as an example. So I would like to be an example for everyone. And I would again and again say that I am an artist. I am a good painter and the dresses, so I started my fashion designing company in 2016 during demonetization in the name of Mesmerizers. So I knew the art of sketching and it becomes very easy to buy a piece of cloth and get it done by a tailor, like Sushmita Sen also told during her beauty pageant interview, during her Miss Universe beauty contest. So, and I think other designers do the same. and the designs which they sell for 50,000, 5 lakhs or whatever, it can be easily done in 10 to 20,000 itself.
Sure. But it's the branding.
Yeah,
that
it's
costs.
the branding.
Yeah, but coming back to SSR, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के बारे में आपने एक वीडियो डाली जिसमें आप काफी इमोशनल थे. वो वीडियो जैसे आपने कहा यू हैव आर्काइव्ड इट, आपने आर्काइव कर दी, बट उसके बाद फिर एक और वीडियो डाली जिसमें भी आप इमोशनल दिख रहे थे, जिसमें आपने काफी लंबी बात की है इस बारे में. I would like to ask, are you going through a similar phase in life? कुछ ऐसा चल रहा है? Are you feeling that mental pressure या फिर depression या कोई ऐसा तनाव आपको लग रहा है कि ऐसा है जिसकी वजह से आप relatable feel कर रहे हो उनसे? Is there something, because now out of sudden when you have started, obviously you have been speaking about all this for a long time, but now when you have posted a video and then archived it and posted it again and feeling emotional, does it sign somewhere like?
Of course, when you step into somebody else's shoes and when you knew that person, so you know what he has gone through, and if you can relate yourself with something similar, then of course you'll feel emotional. Few people might call it melodrama or over dramatic. That's not the thing. I mean, I know everything, but sometimes it's better to shut up. Because you want to work in the same industry, and of course media can make you or break you. And that is why I think ignorance is bliss. But I mean, why did media get so much power?
Because it's the fourth pillar of the democracy, that is. So it has that power. But anyway, I'd like to ask you, when I was researching about you, I got to see that you have worked in Tamil films, you have done work in Telugu films, you have done reality shows, so many. You have done cameos in many TV shows also. You've done so much of work, but now today when people only remember you for maybe the kind of choices that you do with clothing, does it make it feel bad कि मैंने इतना काम किया अपना, मैंने इतने साल दिए काम करने के लिए, मैंने इतना काम किया इंडस्ट्री में, बट फिर भी लोग मुझे सिर्फ इसलिए याद रख रहे हैं?
Sometimes it does pinch you, of course. आपको बुरा लगता है. But like I say, I'm an aesthete, so I love reading and बस books पढ़ के अपना दिल बहला लेती हूँ. And books are your best friend, so ठीक है. And right now, yes, I do feel like a star. I am getting that star. My show is one of the trending shows on Hotstar, and I would like to take the entire credit for it because I've promoted it with all my heart and soul.
Yeah, but also if I ask you, आपने भी बताया कि आप अकेले रहते हो. Does that sometimes make you feel lonely? Because when you live alone, you have that brain जो बार-बार गलत चीजों के बारे में सोचता है. Because no matter what, even if you're doing or not doing something, there are always roasts made upon you. Roast videos आती हैं, people judging you, people passing comments.
अगर सब मेरे बारे में अच्छा ही बोलेंगे तो बुरा कौन बोलेगा? Love me or hate me, you can't ignore me. And of course बुरा लगता है. पहले comments पढ़ती थी, अब comments पढ़ना छोड़ दिया है क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा comments पढ़ूंगी उतना ज़्यादा लोग provoke करेंगे. So it's okay. बोलने वाले कुछ तो बोलेंगे.
But what is your coping mechanism when you go through these things? What is that one thing that you do? You talk to your mother, you read a book, you take a vacation, you talk to your friends. What do you do when you feel low?
I do write, I sketch, or I read, or I talk to myself.
Is there any perspective that you want people to know about you that people don't know? कुछ ऐसा कि you want people to know, to be remembered like a certain way, but लोग आपको सिर्फ इसलिए याद रखते हैं. कोई ऐसी चीज जो आप ऑडियंस से शेयर करोगे?
I would like to call myself cute rather than sexy.
Okay.
Sexy is not the right word for me. Yes, my brain is quite sexy and I have a sexy body. That's true.
Yeah.
But I think my brain is sexier.
Okay.
And I'm quite. I'm cute, yes, and I'm artistic.
Okay.
And I'm quite a loving person. And I love to be pampered.
And if I have to ask you about KhushiMukherjee.com, what is that? Because I was going through your Insta and you're promoting that way too much these days. What is that?
I'm not promoting it way too much.
But it's there at KhushiMukherjee.com.
Of course, it is my bread and butter.
Okay.
And I do earn from there.
But what is that like? What is the idea?
It is an app Kylie Jenner, Paris Hilton, everyone had a similar type of app.
Okay.
So there are my photos and videos on the app which people can subscribe and watch. I might soon end it for influencing the youth in a right way.
Okay.
But as of now, I think my bread and butter is my app.
Okay.
I don't have lots of sugar daddies like many others. Hence, I don't think I'm planning to shut it anytime soon.
Okay. Yeah. All right. We have had a lot of chat and so much serious chats we have had. Now let's move to the fun part. If I were allowed to time travel, I would go to
the next dimension.
Okay. If I were the Prime Minister of India, what would I do?
Prime Minister of India, I would make India tax-free, GST-free, and world tour for everyone.
World tour for everyone.
Yeah.
If I were invisible for a day, what would I do?
Invisible for a day? No, I don't want to be invisible.
You want to be visible every day?
Yeah.
Okay. If I were to swap lives with a co-actor or a Bollywood star, who would that be?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan. You want to enjoy that stardom?
Yes.
Okay. Right. If you were given a chance to rewrite your own story, what would that be?
Maybe work opposite of Shah Rukh Khan, or be the next Priyanka Chopra.
Okay. If I were to relive one unforgettable moment of my life, what would that be?
I don't forget anything, so I don't want to relive
any
anything.
Moment you'd like to share about your life, which is very close to you?
Oh no.
There's nothing?
No.
Are you close to your family though?
Not very close to them, but yeah, I love them.
Because since you're always around controversies and you're always there, you're always the buzz of the town. Sometimes
I do go out with my mother for dinner, but that's all.
But what is their reaction to? Because no mother...
They're okay with it. They're
okay.
Fine with it.
If I were not an actor, I would have been...
A housewife, maybe.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. You love being at home?
Yeah, I'm at home most of the times.
Okay. If I were the host of any talk show, what show that would be? What would it be called, let's say?
Something similar to Coffee with Karan.
Okay, you'd like to talk to the celebrities and their lifestyle, is it?
Yeah, I love gossiping.
Okay. Any gossip you'd like to give?
That's off camera.
All right, okay. All right, then let's move to the next segment, which is called Either and Or. Are you a foodie, by the way?
Yeah.
You love food?
I love food.
So let's start with burger or pizza?
Vegan.
You don't?
Okay. Healthy burger.
Okay. So burger or fries?
Fries.
Fries or pasta?
Fries.
Fries or biryani?
Biryani.
Biryani or rajma chawal?
Rajma chawal.
Oh, you love rajma chawal?
Yeah.
Okay. Rajma chawal or chole bhature?
Chole bhature.
Okay. You're a mix of Mumbai, Delhi.
I love food. Yeah.
Okay.
I only know how I reduced weight.
But is there any, like, Delhi mein there are many places जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे छोले भटूरे मिलते हैं, but Mumbai में कोई ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे अच्छे छोले भटूरे मिलते हैं? Do you visit some places like?
No, I used to eat at Mithai Wala.
Okay, where is that?
It's in Malad. So they have good chole bhature.
Okay. Chole bhature or samosa?
Samosa. Oh, I love samosa. Yeah, hot piping samosa.
Samosa or jalebi?
Samosa.
Samosa or modak? Samosa or vada pav?
Both.
But you have to choose one. Which one is your favorite?
Samosa only.
Samosa. You touched vada pav?
Yeah.
No, vada pav. Okay, but you have been living in Mumbai for such long.
Yeah.
You never had like that.
No, I did have vada pav. When my mom stays, you get very good vada pav over there. So yeah, I had.
Okay, samosa or pani puri? Pani puri.
Yeah, the Calcutta style fuchka.
Yeah. Have you been to that stall near Infinity Mall? Infinity Mall ke bilkul samne. There's very authentic.
There is a place in Bandra. You get authentic Kolkata style fuchka over there.
Okay. So pani puri or ice cream?
Pani puri.
Pani puri or cheesecake?
Pani puri. I'm not too much of a sweet person. I don't have a sweet tooth.
Pani puri or pav bhaji?
Pav bhaji.
Pav Bhaji.
Yeah.
Okay. So clearly the last option wins, which is Pav Bhaji. Let's move to If I Were These.
Okay.
So I'll tell you some situations. Like if I were an ice cream flavor, I would be.
Vanilla.
Okay. If I were a Bollywood film, I would be.
Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge. What?
You wanna get married? Like a romance, like.
Yeah.
Are you that? You have been in a relationship. You have told in interviews कि 3-4 you have been in the past, but currently कुछ.
No, currently I'm single and I don't plan to date anyone. Directly get married.
Okay, but to know arrange marriage directly.
I don't know. Maybe.
Okay, yeah. If I were a song,
If I were a song, some not yet made, something like Bebo Mein Bebo.
oh. If I were a city,
Paris.
okay. Been to Paris? Have you been to Paris?
No, I haven't yet.
Okay.
It's a city of love, I feel.
Yeah, true. If I were a festival,
Diwali.
okay. If I were a dialogue of a film, any famous Bollywood dialogue that you love?
इतने शिद्दत से मैंने उसे पाने की कोशिश की है कि पूरी कायनात ने मुझे उससे मिलाने की साजिश की है.
Wow, very nice. If I had a superpower,
If I had a superpower, to control everyone.
oh, is it?
Yeah,
Are you that dominating?
a little, but I like to get dominated.
Okay. Okay. If I were a Bollywood actress or actor, any favorite?
Kajol.
Okay, an actor?
Shah Rukh
Exactly.
Khan.
Okay, yeah, you've already said. If I were a director, which one would it be?
Yash Chopra.
Yash
He's
Chopra.
no more. Yeah.
But any one from the
Industry
current lot?
It would be Aditya Chopra.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I were a place in India, I would be
Kolkata.
Kolkata. You love Kolkata. Do you visit often?
No, I don't visit quite often, but the people are quite emotional over there.
Yeah.
People think from their heart.
Let's move to the last segment, which is called Dare or Share. It's a game where I ask you questions. You either choose Dare or you choose Share. So when you choose Share, you have to share with the exact details. And if you don't want to share, you choose Dare. I'll tell you some situations and then you do that, perform it. And if you don't want to do Dare also, you eat a chocolate full.
Okay.
Let's start with the first question. Dare or share if you have ever been rejected for a role because you were very outspoken or bold. कभी कुछ exact details के साथ?
No.
Never happened?
No.
Okay. Dare or share if you have ever been replaced by someone.
Replaced by someone? Yes.
But you have to share details.
Oh, no.
Also. No.
I choose
So will you choose Dare?
Dare.
Okay. Okay. Suppose you are in Big Boss elimination round. You have to give 30-minute speech of why you deserve to be in the house. Do that.
Because I'm Khushi Mukherjee.
But
name is enough.
but you have to tell why you deserve to be in the house. Let's say you are against Rakhi Sawant. Let's say. Let's give you a more hypothetical. Why are you better than her?
Why am I better than her? Because I think I can speak better than her, and my vocabulary is much better, and I am not Rakhi Sawant. That's
Okay.
why
But people love her though.
people love me too. We
Yeah,
have different
obviously.
people, we do have
1.5
different
million
genres.
people love you.
And
We all
yes,
love
I
you.
don't put
Yeah,
fake
yeah.
followers. So
Do you think people have fake followers?
of
Like,
course,
I mean,
so
yes,
many
but-
YouTubers and so many more people.
Okay. Next question is, dare or share if you have ever ghosted a director producer's message just because it was being fishy. They were being fishy or they were asking some different
Oh,
advantage.
so many. Instagram पे जो भी मैसेज आता है किसी का DM उसको कभी रिप्लाई नहीं करना चाहिए.
Oh, is it?
ईमेल पे ही रिप्लाई करना चाहिए. This is what I've learned, I think, all these years.
I have to share.
Yeah.
Or you choose a dare.
Dare.
Dare, okay. Okay. Okay, so you have to call a random friend and tell them you're getting married tomorrow and they have to show up. Can you do that?
Nobody will believe me that I'm getting
But
married.
still, call a friend like, look, hey, I've decided to get married tomorrow. Will you show up? Like emotional. Can you do that?
No.
Don't want to do that. You have to eat a chocolate then.
Okay, I don't mind eating chocolate.
Okay, please. I will eat it on the camera.
Okay.
Let's move to the next question though while you eat. Dare or share if you ever done a project only for money.
Many a times,
But
many
you have to
times.
share
Yes.
again.
The projects I did for Ullu was, yes, the bold projects I
Mhm.
only did for money.
And then that also brought you a lot of trolls, and then
Yes, it did, but it did bring me money too.
okay.
I mean, you have to be choosy. Either you like the script or you like the amount of money you're receiving. Or फिर दोनों.
But do you think that those projects offered more money than the normal OTT projects? Do you think?
Not really. Big channels do offer you good money.
Mhm. But then
उस time पे I used to be one of the highest paid actresses amongst the Ullu or OTT actresses that time.
now government is also shutting down so many channels, so many such apps also.
But don't you think it's so sarcastic that government is shutting those apps, whereas the same owner owns Ullu, Atrangi, Hariom. So maybe they have earned a lot out of those channels, and that is why they are themselves shutting it and saying that, oh, government is shutting it.
But government
This
has
also
actually
could be the
released
reason,
an
no?
official statement.
And अगर ये official statement है भी, तो ये जो PN लगा के shoot हो रहा है and Instagram पे टैग कर दिया जा रहा है, ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? ये भी होना चाहिए फिर.
True. Because there are a lot of public figures, famous faces who are accused of directly or indirectly involved in making of such apps. ऐसा भी है. Dare or share one actor you'd never want to work again, and you have to take the name. Or you choose a dare.
It was Yash Pandit from Splitsvilla. I did a series with him for Ullu app. I don't want to work with him again.
And why so?
Just
vibes didn't match.
It's not only about the vibes, but I didn't like the way he behaved, and he was little turkey.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's move to the next one. Dare or share one rumor about yourself that you found was true, somewhere true. कोई ऐसा rumor आपके बारे में हुआ हो जो आपको लगता है कि शायद सही था?
क्या पता, शायद सारे rumors सही हो सकते हैं. Keep believing.
Okay, that was it, Khushi. You have to eat your chocolate. While you eat your chocolate, I'll ask you some questions. In general, let's have a chat.
Sure.
Okay.
I'll eat it later.
Oh, but you did not do your dare. That was your dare. You don't eat chocolates or what?
I do.
You do? You like sweet? You have a sweet tooth?
No.
Okay, Khushi, before you leave, I'd like to know, Khushi, as a human, कि what kind of human are you? Because अभी इतने ज़्यादा allegations आपके ऊपर लगते हैं. Now, latest में आपके ऊपर controversies भी हुई, जिसके ऊपर आपने बात कर ली. So let's not talk about it also. काफी इतने सारे जब एलिगेशंस आपके ऊपर लग जाते हैं, इतनी कंट्रोवर्सी है, एज अ ह्यूमन हाउ टू टैकल इट? बिकॉज बहुत बहुत डिफिकल्ट रहता है कभी कभी. बिकॉज नॉर्मल लोगों को ना अभी ऐसा ना सोशल मीडिया पे वैलिडेशन लेने की आदत बहुत ज्यादा हो गई है कि कुछ भी हुआ है सोशल मीडिया पे डाल दो, फिर वैलिडेशन मिलेगा, एंड इट समवेयर मेक्स देम हैप्पी, स्पेशली जब आप अकेले रहते हो.
There is power of positivity. You have to keep thinking about the positive side. I do manifest. I do believe in power of manifestation. एंड ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप यही कर सकते हो कि सोशल मीडिया से डिटॉक्स ले लो. उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
आपने कभी ऐसा किया है?
मैंने ये किया है, बट देन यू आर इन पीयर प्रेशर ऑफ क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट एंड अपलोडिंग इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. सो आप बहुत ज्यादा दूर भी नहीं जा सकते हो.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके पास टाइम है और आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं कभी? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे कहते हैं कि वी आर वेरी शाय टू आस्क फॉर वर्क. ऐसा कभी आपने किया है कि आपका कोई फ्रेंड हो जो कास्टिंग में हो या कुछ भी है कि यू हैव पिक्ड अप द फोन एंड टेल देम कि देखो आई डोंट हैव वर्क एट द मोमेंट, आई नीड वर्क, कैन यू प्लीज डू दिस फॉर मी?
इंडस्ट्री में देयर इज नो सच कॉल्ड, नो वर्ड called as friendship. इंडस्ट्री में कोई आपका दोस्त नहीं होता है. अगर आप दोस्तों से सच बोलोगे ना कि आपके पास काम नहीं है और आपको काम की जरूरत है, तो वो आपको ज्ञान ही देंगे बट आपको काम कभी नहीं देंगे. वो दोस्ती से बाहर जाके काम करेंगे, उनको ज्यादा पैसा देके काम करेंगे, बट आपके साथ काम नहीं करेंगे. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड ऑल दिस वाइल. यस, ट्रस्ट नो वन एंड प्रोफेशनलिज्म में आप दोस्ती मत रखो.
ओके, बट आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने एक्चुअली किया हो ये और नहीं हुआ?
मैंने काफी इंडस्ट्री में मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे. जब एक पॉइंट था, मैं दूरदर्शन का सीरियल कर रही थी, उस टाइम पे मैंने काम मांगा था एंड दे डिड नॉट ऑफर मी द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट आई डिजर्व्ड. एंड कितने सारे मूवीज उन्होंने फ्लॉप कर दिए, बट दे डिड नॉट गिव मी दैट वर्क.
डू यू थिंक फ्लॉप करना भी किसी के हाथ में है? बिकॉज ऑडियंस एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ऑडियंस इज द जज. कोई मूवी कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, जैसे अभी आप सैयारा को देख लो, बिल्कुल नहीं, YRF डिड नो पब्लिसिटी, कभी उन्होंने प्रमोट नहीं किया उस मूवी को, बट नाउ यू सी द नंबर्स. यू थिंक फ्लॉप करना किसी के हाथ में रहता है? If your talent is good, if the content is good, audience will ultimately like it. Do you think?
नहीं, but कभी कभी कंटेंट अच्छा होता है फिर भी फ्लॉप हो जाता है.
That is true. That is true.
Yeah.
But do you not see that as the fault of the audience also sometimes?
No, see.
Or is it the strategy of some people to bring
negative publicity से मूवी चल जाती है? I don't think Animal was a very good movie, and Animal अगर इतनी हिट हो सकती है तो कुछ भी हो सकता है.
True. Anything you'd like to talk about? Any upcoming projects you're doing? कुछ भी ऐसा?
I am in talks with production houses for music videos and other shows.
Okay.
But I'm gonna be quite choosy with the kind of work I'm doing.
Because you've worked so much, but people only remember you for this reason. Because
no, it's okay. See, I always believe in quality over quantity. So इतना quantity में काम कर लिया ना, अभी quality work करेंगे, quantity नहीं. और वैसे भी इनकम तो सोशल मीडिया एंड बाकी चीजों से जनरेट हो ही जाती है.
KhushiMukherjee.com
Instagram too.
Okay, that was it, Khushi. I had a good time. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for doing this. Any last message you have for your fans? कुछ आप बोलना चाहें, बताना चाहें?
People always think कि मेरे sketches मैं खुद नहीं बनाती हूँ या काफी टाइम लग जाता है, तो I would really like to sketch some clothing design or something within a jiffy.
Oh, is it? Okay. Can we have paper? Yeah. Sorry. We have a paper and a pen.
You have a.
You need a diary to put.
ये इस पर रखना.
Okay. That looks like a perfect design. The silhouette is great. But why did you not pursue fashion designing if you were so keen? Why did you not pursue it?
I did not complete my education because I wanted to pursue my acting career.
There were rumors also that you have studied abroad also. Was it true?
In my childhood.
You went to Canada, right?
Yeah.
But then, was it because you wanted to pursue a different kind of career?
My family did not support the kind of career I chose for myself. But that's okay. I'm happy with what I'm doing. So, I can anytime.
But acting was something you always wanted to do, right?
Yes.
But what was the career that they did not support? This only?
Yes, acting.
Okay. But now you're here. You're famous. 1.5 million is a big deal.
Yeah.
Everybody loves you. And as you said, you don't care about people who do not love you. Thank you so much for coming. I had a great time. Thank you so much.